Hey and welcome in this video. Today we are going to see another fantastic attack by legendary Yuri Averbakh. This is the position and it's white's turn. Let's dive in this game. Yuri started the game with a move d4 in 1959 against his opponent Eduard, and he replied with the move d5. Now we have the move c4 and c6. This is the Slav variation, and here white can go in the exchange variation, exchange Slav, in which I record another video about a very nice gambit here, which will help you to win a lot of games easily. You can follow the link below in the description in order to see this video. During the game we have the move e3. This is the slow Slav because white would like to develop all of his pieces slowly. He is closing this bishop but overprotecting this pawn on c4. Now we have knight f6, knight c3, e6, and we have the Slav triangle. Black can reach this position with many different move orders. He can start with the move e6, or he can develop the knight. First of all, we have different move orders here, but we can reach this position. Both players are developing their pieces, and now white just played bishop to d3, so black has time to capture on c4. So white is going to lose one tempo because he just moved the bishop and now he has to capture again. But in every position we have pros and cons, something we give and something we take. Black wins some time here, but white have better center control, as you can see, because he has the two pawns here, and it's very easy for him to play the move e4. This is white's advantages. Now we have b5 and we have the Meran variation. The main idea of the Meran is to attack the bishop, win little more time, and after this move, for example, black is going to play bishop on b7, a6, and in the right moment he should play something like c5 in order to strike in the center. So we have b4 here attacking the knight, knight e4, bishop here, takes, and e4. White win more space in the center of the board, and now bishop to e7. Queen e2. This is a very interesting moment actually, because Averbakh overprotect his pieces. Karpov, another legendary player, another fantastic player, used to do this technique a lot, and I suggest you to do this because if you just coordinate your pieces and overprotect some points, you can see black maybe would like to play c5 to attack on e4. He has two pieces here, and before something bad happened, white overprotect this position, this pawn on e4, and by doing that he is not going to lose his pieces easily. It's a very nice technique that you can use it right after this video and not lose your pieces. So we have a5. I don't really like that move. Maybe better was to play something like short castling, but in any case he played this one, and now we have short castling, rook to d1. White is preparing against that move c5 because he would like to open up the center. Nothing will happen here because we have many pieces in this file, so this e file is blocked. White cannot create any accident right now, and we don't have this diagonal open. But in any case, he played c5 without fear, and after that he just played queen to c7. Maybe it was okay to capture with the bishop, totally fine, because this line is blocked, and if we just attack the knight here, he can do some tricks actually. He can take first of all the knight, let's say, and after that he can play knight d5. So the line again is blocked. We see the level of threats. We are threatening the knight, but here black threatened the queen. You should understand these levels in order to play better chess and to find blows and counter blows. But in any case, now we have queen c7 over attacking this pawn. Actually, white don't have any real way to protect this one. We have bishop here, bishop takes, rook a to c1. And black didn't calculate accurately. He played queen b6. It's an inaccuracy. It's not the best move actually here, but it was little better to overprotect his bishop. Little better. And after e5, for example, he can drop back the knight, threatening that pawn. Maybe he would like to capture, remove a defender, and after that capture on e5. And after this, pinning this bishop, actually white is a little better here because he has more space. He's controlling more space with the move e5. He has 3 pieces, and we have an annoying pin on c5. So white is a little better, but it could be a normal continuation. Actually, during the game, after this move, black played this queen b6. Queen b6, try to avoid immediately, try to avoid the pin instantly, and after knight e5 we have rook to d4, so we have the diagram position. What are you going to play here with white pieces? And yes, you guessed it correctly, he just captured on f6, and after this we have knight d7, double attack, attacking the rook and the queen. And actually after the move queen d6, he's attacking our knight, we can capture the rook, it's okay to capture the rook, but we have a better move here. Can you guess the better move? Not capturing here, but something else. It's white's turn. And the fantastic move is e5, because we are attacking the queen and try to liberate our pieces, open up lines in order to create some attack against the enemy king. And after this we have this check, this amazing check, a Greek gift or Greek sacrifice. And after this we have this check, and after the king has to go away, and we have this double attack now, attacking the king and the bishop as well in the same time. And after this he just captured the piece, we are attacking the queen, but this is not a major problem for black, because we are threatening to create a checkmate. For example, after something like that, in order to create an escape route for the king, we are not going to take the queen, but we have this check controlling this f6 square, and after this we have another check, and here we have the final checkmate with the queen. Please also let me mention that we have a very nice article on the website about the attack. You can follow the link below and read this article on my website. You can see a lot of videos and a lot of rules and a lot of ideas that can help you become better player and understand how to play the attack. So thank you very much and hope to see you soon. Thanks for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Here it's time for action. This is the initial page of my website, and here you can click Give me access to get access to free lessons. You can read this page, and if you scroll down, here you can add your name and your email. After that, you're going to take a free lesson how to avoid chess blunders. So time for action is now, and you're very welcome to join my mail list.